when it comes to keeping your vehicle at its best. Accept nothing less than genuine OEM. At Conicelli Hyundai Parts, we make it easy to keep your Hyundai running like new with genuine OEM parts and accessories. Shopping is simple with our online store. Search by VIN, model, or category to instantly find the exact part you need. If you have another vehicle, don't forget to check out our other sites. Conicelli Honda Parts, Conicelli Nissan Parts, Conicelli Toyota Parts. Once you place your order, our team processes it quickly, so your parts ship fast, straight to your door, anywhere in the country. From filters and spark plugs to accessories and upgrades, we have the parts you need to get you back on the road in no time. Conicelli Hyundai Parts, trusted professionals, genuine OEM parts, delivered fast.